Hi there, quick video to show you how to use Pixlr X. So basically all you need to do is once you're on the site, you open the image. In this instance I've just selected this one, which is quite a nice big size, and to resize all you need to do is click on this one here, the top little icon, and select resize image, and there you can put in various parameters. You know, the size here, 1920 is always a good size because that's HD, and then click apply. You can also crop the image by clicking on the crop tool, which is the second one down, and if you select aspects here you can actually choose various predetermined ones. So I quite like the 1910 or the 21:9, and you can move the frame around to get the bit you want to show in the image. Alternatively, you can type in here what you want to have as the crop, so 1920 by 800 for example, and again you can move that up and down. Once you've selected the bit you want to have in the image area, just click on the save button and you'll see that you can select. Always make sure it's JPEG, it'll be a smaller file size than PNG. You can use this little area here to provide you with a lesser quality output. So selecting high, 90%, or you can make it 80%, 75% or so on. And it will show you here the actual output size in kilobytes. So you just click download and that will save it to your computer. So Pixlr Editor works in a very similar way. Let me bring that up so you can see. So if you start with a new image, let's just open one here. Open image from computer. If it's a large image, it might take a minute to bring it in. So you click on File and Image and Image Size to resize here. So let's bring it down to 1920, and it will automatically constrain proportions unless you've unticked that. So let's bring it down to there. And cropping tool like this, you can just freehand crop that, and then you can just click File, Save, and it will show you the output here. You can rename the file, and again use the cursor to drag for lower quality images and so on. Again, you'll see the size of the output here, and that's it. Very easy. Let me know if you have any questions.